Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to use split screen in Vivo V23 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to swipe up, then enter into the settings. Now choose shortcuts and accessibility. Then choose smart split from here. Then click enable smart screen split. Then choose slide up with 3 fingers to use split screen. Now you can see. So I will open the supported app. So I will open YouTube. Now so in order to use screen split, you need to swipe 3 fingers up from the bottom like this. Now the app enter into the split screen mode. Now you can choose another app you want to open. So I will open Chrome. So you can use 2 applications at a time. So that's all guys. If you want to exit the split screen, you need to drag down this one. Now the split screen is exited. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.